Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed higher on Tuesday. This after China moved to stabilize its currency, helped by shares in telecommunication services, utilities, and material sectors. Now, on the economic docket, there was no economic news to report. This all as 82% of S&P 500 constituents, they managed to trade higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Walt Disney reporting third quarter adjusted EPS of $1.35 versus $1.87 a year ago on revenue of $20.25 billion. Meanwhile, turning overseas, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei down 0.33%, but the Hang Seng up 0.08%. China CSI 300 down 0.41%, and South Korea's Kospi down 0.41% as well. European markets gaining ground and futures calling for a positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, we have CVS Health as well as AIG. Well, on the economic docket, before the bell, we have the 30-year mortgage rate as well as mortgage applications for the 2nd of August, while in the afternoon we have June consumer credit change. Taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees its watch level at 2913. The Nasdaq sees the buyers remain bullish, and that's in focus as the relative strength index has just landed on its neutrality area at 50% and is turning up. The contract supported by its ascending 20 and 50 period moving averages on a 30-minute chart. Long positions above 74.38 are favored with targets at 76.44 and 77.10 in extension, while the Dow Jones sees the bias remain bullish.